Let's discuss replacing canister purge solenoid, or the canister purge valve as it may be referred to. Today we're looking at a 2001 Dodge Durango with a 4.7 liter engine. And so you'll notice there's an electrical connector here, which we can relatively easily disconnect. Then there's going to be two vacuum lines. One of them is going to go to the engine vacuum supply. We should have live vacuum on that when the engine's running. And then the other line is going to go to the charcoal canister towards the rear of the vehicle. When this is energized, it's going to open up the passageway here, allowing the engine to draw in the fuel vapors from the canister. When this is de-energized, it should block the vacuum, and so we should have no flow through here. Well, we've got our lines disconnected, our wires disconnected, and it's as simple as pulling it up off the rubber grommet here. Now you'll notice this is rubber mounted, and there's also markings on here that will say top, and there's also arrows that say up. You want to have this oriented properly. You're also going to want to make sure that you do put it in this rubber mount so it doesn't vibrate throughout the vehicle when this is pulsated on and off. Hook up your hoses, make sure they're oriented correctly, and we'll make our electrical connection, and as easy as that, we've just gone ahead and replaced our purge solenoid.